So, we see right now Bitcoin is pumping. What is happening here? We will speak about, because you see here a huge pump of Bitcoin right now happened. I mean, a huge pump on the daily base. On the 15-minute candle, we saw a huge pump happen. This we will speak about that. The CPI data is came out. This we will not speak about. The second thing, and the third thing what we will speak about is the DPEG of USDT. Why this happened? Why we saw this huge DPEG several minutes ago happen? USDT and USDT and USDD, both there happened a huge DPEG. Why this happened? This we will speak. So hit the like button if you appreciate these videos. I'm here right now with my baby bratan, because yes, I have to take care right now a bit, but I do this video for you. So let us start. If you appreciate, hit the like button, blijft when not pochen. Let's speak here quickly about Bitcoin pump, right? We see right now Bitcoin pumping. Why we see this pump is happening? Because of the CPI data breaking. Here you see US annual CPI inflation declines to 7.7% in October versus 8% expected. So you see it's 0.3% less than expected, and therefore we saw this pump in the market which happened. If you are following, if you're in my Telegram group, which is absolutely for free, you know that today CPI data came out, and this was the reason for this pump, right? And if you watch the video from today in the morning, I told you exactly, if we see a pump above 16,800, we can set a long. So if you took here this long, we reached perfectly our price tag of 17,500 approximately, perfectly reached it. It was a 4.5% opportunity, thanks to 45%, 90%. The next price target will be 18,150. So from here on, I would take right now profits, to be honest, because we are heavily overbought right now, and this was the pump of the news. I would take here profits and let the trade open, but take profits and move stop loss to your entry. So this could be another long opportunity of 5.4%, 10x 54, 20x leverage over 108%. The technical price tag is 18,166. However, please move your stop loss to an entry position, because right now it's very dangerous. You could see some cool down. So in my opinion, it's very clear. We could open right now along with the stop loss, I would say slightly below 16,800. If you're breaking below 16,800 with a clear 15-minute candle, we can start to short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. First price tag would be here around 16,200, and next one would be 15,600. So 6.6%, thanks 66%, 20x over 128%. Short opportunity. Long opportunity is right now with the stop loss, like I told you, below 60,800. Technical price target is 18,150. 5%, thanks for 50%, 20x 100%. If Bitcoin is pumping, we can long also Ethereum. If Bitcoin is dumping, so below 6,800, we can also short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins, right? Where we are doing it, bratans, don't forget this, we are doing it on Bitget and Bybit. Bitget, Bybit is secure. It's not a guarantee. Do your own research compared to FTX, right? Bitget, you get $8,000 for free after initial deposit, and you get 50 USDT for free also after your first trade. Make sure you don't miss out on this bonus. And on Bybit offering even right now $30,030 for free, but it's obvious you have to make initial deposit and match some requirements. So don't miss out on these bonuses. They're for short term, and if you don't match all the requirements, it doesn't matter. You still get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel absolutely for free. So make sure you don't missing out on this. So I told you my price tags for Bitcoin, Ethereum. We reached our Bitcoin price tags, Ethereum price tags you have from the video in the morning. If you want, you can watch it, and let us right now come to the next topic, because this is what I told you. If you're in my Telegram, I told you about this. I told you USDT is depegging and USDT is depegging. I told you this group is absolutely for free. You can join. You get free news for free. You get a summarize of my videos for free. If you're trading through my affiliate link, it's all absolutely for free. And what happened here? You see, here USDT several minutes ago we saw a big spike to the downside. It was at around 0.975%. What happened here? The reason for this is very easy, because Alameda, they're all rumors, right? Nobody knows if it's true or not, but because of the rumors that first Alameda was claimed to have 70% of all USDT. So people were afraid that if they sell their USDT will be worthless, right? This was one thing. The second thing is that Binance CZ showed their balance sheet of what they have, and the people were, or not the people, like, or like there were rumors if USDT has to show their balance sheet that they don't have real dollars backed. So USDT is not backed by real dollars, or only one USDT is backed by 3 cents. Only by 3 cents. I mean, it's still more than the banks, because banks usually have at least 1%. It's like 1 cent for every $1 which you have in the bank. But for crypto, it's too less if they have one USDT backed by 3 cents only. So this was like the people were worried about it. These two reasons caused this huge depeg, which seems that it's right now going to be normal again. It's still a little bit down. It's 0.995, but it seems to recovery again. So be careful. I converted my USDT and BUSD and USDC. So be very careful. We saw also USDD depegged heavily, and still it's depegging. I mean, it's crazy. USDD, you know, it's a native coin of Tron, is down right now 3%, and it's a stable coin. It should be $1, right? So this is also, I mean, it coming also with USDT with the concerns of USDT, that USDT also depegging. So right now, for me, is the safe haven either US dollar, the crazy thing, yes, US dollar, or BUSD or USDC. This is, in my opinion, right now, like the safe haven. Do your own research. It's not financial advice, but USDT, you know, there's like every several months there are like rumors about that USDT is not backed by real dollar, right? And therefore there's always panicking, always USDT depegging. So I would personally convert my USDT into BUSD and USDC. This is what I did, right? Do your own research, because if USDT will go to zero like Luna or FTT, I mean, this would we would see Bitcoin immediately to 6-7K at least, because I mean there are so many projects which are involved in USDT or has USDT on their balance sheet that this would be horrible, right? So I hope you understand me. My English is not the best, bratans, but it doesn't matter, because the information, this is what I want to transfer to you. And if you understand it, if you appreciate, hit the like button or go play Mario Kart. And yes, we see also the S&P 500. Let's go quickly back to Bitcoin and S&P 500. We saw S&P 500. Wait a minute, I switch to 1 hourly. We see S&P 500 is right now, even though we have this very good, blood. Sorry for that. We see, because I watched the wrong, we have to watch futures, blood. 3,748 we closed yesterday. Shortly will the stock market open. In the futures, we see right now pump 3,870. This pump is caused also because of the CPI data is even better than expected, like I explained to you, right? So if the stock market will open right now positive, like it seems right now in the futures, we will see also a huge pump in the Bitcoin price, because it's the leading indicator. And I told you I expecting anyways to see pump in the S&P 500, because we are heavily oversold on 15 minute. And if we will see a pump in the S&P 500, we'll see pump also in Bitcoin. If Bitcoin pumping, altcoins pumping. Why S&P 500 is the leading indicator for Bitcoin? Watch out, shortly the stock market will open. So very clear, it looks amazing in the big picture. Now let us speak quickly about the big picture. Oh, by the way, we are pumping, amazing. So if you're watching video and took here the trade, congratulations, bratans. The big picture of Bitcoin, is this right now only a trap, or will we go right now to 21K, to 20K at least? This depends on if we're closing here above this white line. So we have to close about 18k, clearly about 18k. Then I'm expecting that Bitcoin will recover to 20k, or that we are even going to 26k. But as long as we are staying inside of this descending broadening wedge, I'm expecting that Bitcoin will go down here to the price target of around 11k, right? To this support line, of this white support line, right? So it all depends right now. Will we break through this white line, or will we fail to break through and see that Bitcoin dropping to 11k to our next big support? This is the big question which I'm watching out for this in the next days. Or it could be also ours. So watch out for this, because people getting too bullish right now. I wouldn't get too bullish right now, because yes, in the short term we're making profits. I told you, if we break 60,800, we can long Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. Right now we can also long to 18,115. But if we are failing to break 18k or 18,150, and we see breakdown below 16,800 again, then I'm expecting that Bitcoin will dump to 11,500 at least. So very clear in my opinion, bratan. Don't forget to get your bonus on Bitcoin Bybit, or at least to make a registration trade through my affiliate link. Then you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel absolutely for free. You don't have to pay anything, because you are supporting me, I supporting you. Yes, this is very clear. So if you appreciate, I hope you understand what I tried to explain, because my English is not the best, but my information is like high quality, bratan. You know what I mean. Yes? So write me down below if you have any questions down below, or in the Telegram channel. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah. Say bye, bratan. He's sleeping.